Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, we have a few showers and thunderstorms out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got an interesting weather map that's going to shape up for today. We're actually going to probably see 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms. We got this wave that's moving out of Colorado here this morning, and that has brought rumbles of thunder that are now extending. I went through Oakley, up to Norton, back to McCook, all the way back out there to Ray, and even a line that's now moving through the McDonald area, which will be coming through Atwood here again in about 15 to 30 minutes. That line does have a special weather statement on it with wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Can't rule out some small hail as the sun and starts to come out here this morning, and we could see some of our Cape values on these storms have jumped up at the 9 o'clock hour around 1,000. So we'll watch this activity as it moves through this morning. We could have some 1-inch hail and those wind gusts up there to 60 miles an hour and maybe a warning. Right now it's a special weather advisory for eastern Cheyenne County and western Rawlins County till 7:45. We'll see if that continues here as it moves across Rawlins County as either an advisory or a warning. Also out there, we got temperatures that are starting out in the middle 60s. We got a northwesterly wind at 10 miles per hour that'll be turning to the south and east this afternoon, and then that'll prime the atmosphere for when the sun comes out here afternoon. Temperatures will climb up into the lower 90s. Another short wave will come out of the Rockies, and we could have another round of weather, particularly along and south of I-70 later this afternoon, evening, and into the overnight. All that does have a minor risk of becoming severe with the large hail and the wind gusts over 60 miles an hour. And then what we got developing tomorrow is that ridge that's now over the high eastern Rockies will stretch across the central plains and sit there for most of next week. But we're still going to have these lee troughs coming out of northeastern Colorado in the late afternoon and evenings. And it does look like we could see the best chances for rain to continue Sunday night, Monday evening, then again towards the end of the period next Thursday, Friday. All the days in between over the weekend and Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll see hot and dry weather with those storms staying out to the west in Colorado. We'll see temperatures in those middle upper 90s at times and overnight lows in the middle to upper 60s. Winds will generally be from a south-southwesterly direction at 5 to 15 miles per hour. On the days that it isn't raining, the days that it is raining, it'll be more from the southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. For 106.1 KYVZ, I'm Joe Vazurek.